This is the easiest way to do your crypto taxes this year.
This crypto hack will save you a ton of time and money.
Welcome to the Bean Pod. This is your place for all things stocks and crypto. From beginner tips to expert picks. Use this as fuel for your investing journey, because when you're in the know, your money will grow.
This episode of the Bean Pod is sponsored by BitGet.
BitGet is the most user-friendly and secure crypto trading platform for both beginners and experienced traders.
BitGet is the best place to not only trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also all the small cap gems that we discuss every day.
With 24/7 customer support, leverage trading, and a wide array of other advanced features, BitGet sets itself apart from every other centralized exchange.
Through Beanstalk's official partnership with BitGet, you'll receive 15% off all trading fees when you sign up using the referral link in the description.
All views expressed by speakers on the Bean Pod are solely their opinions. You should not treat any opinion expressed on the Bean Pod as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a specific strategy, but only as an expression of their opinion. This podcast is for informational purposes only.
Welcome to the Bean Pod. This is Shane, aka the Jolly Green Investor.
And this is Josh, a Nifty Investor.
Today, we're going to show you a hack that is going to save you a ton of time and money when doing your crypto taxes this year.
We're getting to that unfortunate time of the year where if you've had a good year of trading, you now have to pay your taxes. Wah, wah, wah. And it sucks and it's confusing. So how can we do this quickly, and how can we save money and time?
So what we're going to do today is kind of just go briefly through a few things that you need to know when you're doing your crypto taxes. Then we're going to tell you exactly how we are personally doing our taxes for crypto this year, and the way that we've found out the easiest way to do it and how we're personally saving money doing our crypto taxes.
Yeah, so at the end of the video, we'll show you the cheaper way of doing it. So first of all, how do you know what's taxed as capital gains or is it business income?
Yeah,
What if you're paid in crypto? Is that taxable? What happens every time you make a transfer? Is that taxable?
Yeah, I mean, think about all the different things that people are doing in crypto every day. So, okay, you're buying a token and it goes up and then you sell it. So that's going to be taxed as capital gains, right? But is it short-term capital gains or is it long-term capital gains? Because it depends on how long you held that token for. Then,
or if you've traded, what if it's above $20,000 in gains that you've made versus maybe 10,000?
right.
That's taxed differently as well, right?
And then things like staking in crypto. How is crypto staking taxed? Now, if you work in the industry like we do, sometimes you might get paid in crypto. So when you're looking through your wallet transactions, how do you differentiate between capital gains, investing gains, business income, revenue, expenses, right? So basically when you're going to do your crypto taxes, you're going to look at your activity on the blockchain. Now, thank God that all of your activity in crypto is tracked on the blockchain, or else we would have absolutely no chance of doing our crypto taxes. And you better believe that the IRS or whatever country you live in, eventually they're going to figure the blockchain out. And if you don't do your crypto taxes now, and if you don't do them correctly or as correct as possible, they're going to come back. They don't matter if it's years in the future. They're going to come back and say, look, here's your wallet addresses.
Yeah.
You didn't report any taxes for this year. You owe us this money plus interest.
I think you'll be audited like 7 years back.
Yeah. So I can't stress how important it is now to do your crypto taxes. Make sure you file them and do them as properly as possible. And look, it can be expensive. Tax lawyers are very expensive. However, the way that we're doing it, I think it's going to save you the most amount of time and save you money doing it. So this is an important episode. If you have to do crypto taxes, you have to watch this episode.
Yeah, and look, everybody's like, oh, I'll just avoid paying taxes. Well, it's like when you pay taxes and you can show like how much money you're bringing in, that means you can get greater access to loans. And then you can leverage those loans and purchase houses and all these other things. So it's really important to do.
Yep.
So I guess we could dive right into the platform that we're using and how we're making this super simple. You can do your taxes in like 20 minutes. It does it all for you.
Absolutely. So the platform that Josh and I use to do our crypto taxes is called Coinly. And we've actually reached out to them and we have an exclusive deal for you guys that's going to save you 10% on any subscription, any product you purchase on Coinly to do your crypto taxes. So we're going to drop that referral link in the description of the episode. So it depends on how many trades you take per year. If you're an entry-level trader and it's up to, I don't know, I'm making these numbers up, 100 trades, 500 trades, then, your taxes might only cost $80 to $100 to do. All the way up to if you're a pro trader and you have thousands and thousands of transactions, then it's going to cost you around $300, $400. But you're going to save 30, 40, 50 bucks, 10% off with our referral link. So that's why we're able to save you guys some money.
Yeah, it's kind of nice if you're an expert trader and you've done 10,000 transactions, it costs you $400. The fact that you can save an extra 40 plus bucks every year moving forward, like that's pretty handy.
Yeah, for sure.
Coinly, they have 23,000 plus cryptos on their platform, 10 years of price history. So if you're doing taxes from like previous years, you'll have that accurate data, or if you've been holding a project for a longer period of time to give you that cost basis. 170 different chains,
everything,
400 plus exchanges, 100 plus wallets, and 30 plus services. So pretty much anything that you use in crypto, you'll be able to connect it to the Coinly API, and it'll sort everything out for you.
Yeah.
What's income, what's capital gains, what's losses, etc.
Yeah, look, I know, if you've watched the first part of our episode, you might be shaking in your boots a little bit saying, look, I got to do my crypto taxes. I don't know where to start. Let me just break it down for you and tell you how simple it is to do with Coinly. And just so everyone knows, this is not a sponsored episode. Coinly did not pay us to make this episode. We genuinely use Coinly. We like the product, and we just have a referral link. So look, we're trying to pass on what we do, as always, to you guys. So this is what you do. Go on to Coinly, link in the description. You connect all of your wallets and all of your exchanges. And now one thing you need to know is just because you're connecting your wallets and your exchanges to Coinly doesn't mean you're doxing your wallets and your exchanges to the government. You know what I mean? What's going to happen is Coinly goes through the blockchain, looks at all your wallets, whether it's on Ethereum, on BNB, on Polygon, on Arbitrum. It doesn't matter. As you said, 170 different chains. It's going to go through your exchange wallets. It's going to bring up all your transactions, and it's going to figure out how much you made or lost this year, capital gains or losses. It's going to identify different things like income, staking, airdrops, and it's going to show you exactly how much tax you need to pay on every wallet, and then cumulatively in about 15, 20 minutes. How good is that?
Yeah, it's super, super easy. And, depending on the country you're from too, like if you're from America, Australia, Canada, like for U.S. residents, they generate pre-filled IRS tax forms for you. If you're in Australia, it supports income tax, capital gains tax, and factors in, everybody's got different things that they have, factors in the 50% long-term CGT account. For Canadian holders, it's CRA Schedule 3. Coinly uses an approved adjusted cost basis methods in line with the way that Canadians have to do their taxes. So it takes into account all the different countries and, kind of the different tax codes that you guys need to follow.
Yeah. And look, like transactions and wallets, there's thousands of them, if you're in our shoes, and there's all kinds of different things like I just described, airdrop, staking, buying, whatever. You can actually go through your list of transactions. You can sort by dollar value, by chain, by if it's stable coins or Ethereum, whatever. And you can actually put like tags on each transaction. So you can start tagging things as income. You can start tagging things as airdrop rewards. You can start tagging things as pre-sale investment, right? And then your taxes will automatically change the value of your taxes based on your custom tagging of your transactions. This is very useful for us. It's going to be very useful for if you're, a pro or heavy crypto trader that has all kinds of different transactions, which can seem very, very complicated. And this is something that it's actually useful. Once you have it set up, it just keeps running, right? So once you have all your wallets and your exchanges connected to Coinly, not only can you go in at any time during the year and see your net worth, how much tax you're going to owe for the next year. You can see all kind of cool statistics, how much you own in any token. Say if you own the Hello token spread over 5 different wallets on exchanges, on wallets, you can see exactly how much you own, right? So it's a portfolio tracker. It's a tax tracker. It's a way to keep track of everything you're doing in crypto. I really just love it.
Yeah, literally saves you hours. They got like if you're a noob to crypto, don't really know what all the different meanings are, they have like an entire glossary. They're also always up to date with all the different tax regulations, so you can read up on that. You can start for free, no card required, and go play around with it and make a decision for yourself if it's a platform you want to use like Shane and I do.
Yeah, 100%. Look, if you guys have any questions about crypto taxes, obviously we are not tax lawyers. We're not financial advisors. We're just trying to pass on our years of experience and what we are genuinely personally doing to do our crypto taxes. We use Coinly. If you want to use it, 10% off all Coinly offers, link in the description. Check it out.
There you have it. Hey, make sure you guys tune into the next episode.
That one is going to be a banger.
All views expressed by speakers on the BeanPod are solely their opinions. You should not treat any opinion expressed on the BeanPod as a specific inducement to make a particular investment or follow a specific strategy, but only as an expression of their opinion. This podcast is for informational purposes only.